Good afternoon. How are you? I feel deg-degan saya hari ini. After 8 years ago, I left Redentor Mundi to study in the Philippines and I come back again as a newly priest and celebrate Mass with you. I'm nervous. Tangan saya basah ini. But brothers and sisters, today, when we listen the gospel, I want to invite you to reflect what happened with Jesus. If you hear carefully a while ago, Jesus want to be silent. Why? Why he want to be silent? Because he knew John the Baptist is dead. He feels sad. His family, part of the family dead. Sometime in our life, we also look for that moment. When we feel sad, when we feel many things happen in our life, we want to be alone. Because alone sometimes make us to think and pray, to more close with the Lord. If you listen carefully a while ago, Jesus want to have time to silent, have time to rest. But what happened? What happened? People want to listen to him. People run after him. People want to talk to Jesus and listen his teaching. Can Jesus get angry? Yeah. He can say, it's my time to rest. Why you look after me? It's time for me to mourn because one of my family dead. But moved by the compassion, Jesus still accommodate them. Jesus still talk to them. Jesus still give time for them. So the question is, where is my time? Jesus is a public figure. He knew what the people need. He knew what the people want to listen. So again, he sacrificed his time for those people. But there are another story there. The disciples, in the practical way, tell Jesus, let them go home to look for the food. And it's what happened to us. We just want the easy things in our life. We want to shortcut. Have a problem? Sometime, let it be. Because the disciples saw there are problem there, the easy thing is, let them go home to look for another food. It's not our responsibility. But what Jesus said, no, you need to feed them. No, you need to take good care for them. My brothers and sisters, sometime in our life, when we see a problem, we afraid already. When I was in the Philippines, I told my staff in the school, don't call me if you have problem. I will not answer the call. But I teach them. Sometimes we don't have problem in our life. But we have is situation. Ada situasi yang harus kita jalani. There is situation we need to work on it. You need to change the perspective. When you see a problem, you fret already. But if you have situation, you know to become and answer that situation. You see again in the gospel what happened. The disciple just said, we have 5 roti and 2 ikan. 2 fish and 5 bread. And in the end we realize God will provide. Who bring that fish and bread to Jesus? A little boy. A little boy. Sometime in our situation, people will send someone to help you. Out of nowhere. I think some of you experience it. If you see no answer, but sometimes someone calling you, or some situation helping you, so you can move forward to that situation. Like what happened in the gospel, the little boy bring the bread and the fish. My dear brothers and sisters, sometime in our life, we think if we have problem, we have situation, we forgot. But in the little way, the Lord is there for us. Three things we can remember today in the gospel. Sometimes you want to have me time, but you still work. Sometimes you want to be okay with yourself, but you need to finish something. Second, sometimes we like to be practical, but the Lord telling us, do the process. And lastly, like the little boy bring, in any situation, God never sleep, God know better for you, and will send someone to help you. So in this Mass, we pray for this grace. Grace that we have time also with the Lord in every situation we have, because He will there for us. And in the end, the Lord will provide for you.